Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me this week. So this week is going to be a really quick video and it's going to be showing some of the new features on Zoom that I actually haven't tried out yet. So you're going to be exploring some of the new features with me. If you're interested in finding out some of the new features of Zoom, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's have a look at the new features of Zoom. Now, there's actually another function down here. If you actually update your Zoom app on the desktop, there's a whole menu bar at the bottom. You've got security, participants, chat, screen share, polls, pause recording, stop recording, breakout rooms, apps, and then there's whiteboards. So instead of sharing your screen, press on whiteboards and you'll get this beautiful pop-up menu that allows you to share a whiteboard. So I'm just going to open this up. It says open and collaborate. And I've also got the choice of participants can edit or just view. So let's open and collaborate. So now you can see this is actually a different type of window. It's not sharing your screen, but it's creating a whiteboard. And what I love about this is it's a little bit like a Google Jamboard where you've got sticky notes. So I'm just going to put a sticky note here and you can change the color of it. You can type in. So you can actually use this as a Jamboard, and participants in your Zoom meeting can also contribute here and put little sticky notes, or they can actually type in text as well. So if they wanted to me, this looks exactly like a Jamboard, but with a few more features. So I love the shape option that we can actually draw shapes here. We can draw lines as well. Here's a line with two arrows at the end. We can erase it, we can undo, and then we can add pages to this as well. And you can see up here, there's a share button. There's also 3 dots. Let's see what happens. We can export this as a PDF or a PNG. We can leave feedback, or we can move to trash. And when we actually export it as a PDF or PNG, that will download onto your computer. Let's just try that. I'm just going to and it's viewed in a folder on my computer. If I press share, I can actually share the whiteboard. I can copy the link and I can put it into the chat box as well. So I'm thinking that this was just a quick and easy. I'm just going to stop sharing. It says close whiteboard at the top. So what I'm going to do is, I think in my next video, I'm going to put the loom on so that you can actually see the different instructions and the different buttons that I'm actually clicking. But if you update your Zoom, have a look on the bottom menu bar for whiteboards, and you'll get something like a Google Jamboard, but even better with more functionalities. Okay, if you've noticed any other new functionalities of Zoom that you've really enjoyed, then please put it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me again this week, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.